Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how can you add presets in your photos. So guys, stay tuned to the video and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell notification icon to never miss any update. Let's get started. First of all, add the photo that you want to edit. My one photo has been added. Now you have to add the preset, and I'll give you the preset link in the description box. You can go and check it out, the preset. And this preset, I'm going to add this preset to my photo. And my preset also has been added successfully. Here is the preset. Now what you have to do, follow my steps, press the three dot icon, press copy settings, and then press the right option, then back. I added this photo for the preset. Now press the three dot icon again, paste settings, and here you go. And this is our preset. Hopefully you liked that video. If you don't, then please like that video, comment down below, share that video to your friends and family, and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell notification icon to never miss any update. See you guys in the next video. Till then, goodbye.